They come from all across the United States.
I'm from Bloomington, Minnesota.
I'm from Morgan Hill, California.
I'm from Tulsa, Oklahoma.
High school students, more than 620 this year, eager to take part in that time-honored tradition, summer camp. But instead of hiking and canoeing, these campers will spend their days peering through microscopes, polishing their science skills, and having a blast. And more than just having fun, these young men and women are being introduced to exciting opportunities in science and engineering that can make life better for all of us. So leave the sleeping bag in the basement, toss out that bug spray, and grab some safety glasses instead. We're having our summer fun at ASM Materials Camp. Amanda White is a 16-year-old from Peoria, Illinois, who enjoys sports, Spanish club, and music, especially playing the tuba in her high school marching band. But she's really in tune with math and science. That's why she decided to spend part of her summer at ASM Materials Camp.
I came to Materials Camp just to learn about different things, like different types of metals and things like that. Yes, I'm looking forward to it.
And Amanda isn't the only camper looking forward to a fun and challenging week ahead.
We learned all this stuff in school, like physics and calculus and chemistry and all this stuff. I just want to kind of have, a chance to actually use it on my own.
I'm looking forward. I'm a hands-on person, so I'm looking forward to actually doing things and seeing how they work and learning what material science is.
During the week as a whole, they work on a failure analysis. So each team is given something that's broken. They have to work on that failure by looking at it in the microscopes, by preparing it metallographically, by doing mechanical testing of the materials, by doing research and try to figure out why that component failed.
I heard it was going to be a lot of fun. We're going to be breaking some stuff and seeing what's inside of it. That's what I do at home anyway, except this way my mom doesn't yell at me.
Since the year 2000, nearly 1,400 would-be engineers have had the opportunity to meet new people and stretch their scientific muscles at ASM Materials Camp. It's an innovative program created by the ASM Materials Education Foundation, a branch of ASM International, the Materials Information Society. ASM's famous geodesic dome in Materials Park, Ohio, was home to the first materials camp back in 2000. Now it's one of many sites hosting a summer materials camp program.
Well, our first year we had 30 students here at Materials Park, and now there are over 600 involved in student camps in some 30 locations around the United States, so the program has grown dramatically and will continue to grow.
The locations are diverse, but all the materials camps have the same mission: to excite young people in materials, science, and engineering careers. Students are taught in small groups by a team of highly experienced industry leaders and master teachers.
It was really cool to have Ron as our mentor. He's the president of a lab, and he told us a whole lot of things about his company, about different things and just what goes on there. It was really fun sometimes to hear about that.
They give you the real-life experience on how you apply your chemistry and physics to everyday life, like what it's really like, not just lectures.
This is something that can really help them with their college planning. It really gives them just such a good education in a week, concentrated in a week. It's just a great experience for them.
To ensure that this experience is open to all qualified high school students, the campers attend free of charge.
That's, I think, a very, very important point. They do have to write an application, and those applications are looked at. These kids are unbelievable bright and have done a very, very high amount of achievements already. And those are the kids we want to attract.
And this is the future of my business. I'll tell you that for the Boeing Company, in the division I work in, we are looking for 5,000 engineers in the next 4 years. We're looking for 10,000 in the next 7 years. And we're hoping that this camp gets them interested and gets them motivated.
And to get even more students motivated and interested, ASM has created a summer materials camp program for science teachers.
They're using experiments which excite the teachers. The teachers then go back and get their students more on board with the fun of science.
How many people will get on board with the fun of science? Well, nearly 6,500 students and teachers are expected to participate in ASM Materials Camp by the year 2009. What's more, the Materials Camp carries out many of the recommendations that have been made by the National Academy of Sciences.
We're making a significant impact on changing the minds of America's youth so that at the end of the week-long camps, we generally see 75 to 80% of these kids have been so excited about the opportunities that they enter their university career into these fields.
It's allowed me to keep all my career options open because I thought I wanted to be a civil engineer, but materials engineering seems so much cooler.
This is definitely something more people should support because this isn't an area you hear much about. And so if you're kind of not sure like which type of engineering you want or whether you want science or engineering, this is a good camp to help you know.
How can you get involved? As a student or teacher, you can attend an ASM Materials Camp. As an engineer or scientist, you can share your expertise as a Materials Camp mentor. And as an industry leader or concerned citizen, you can help provide the vital financial resources needed to keep ASM Materials Camp open and available to each and every bright young mind in America. To find out more, just visit the ASM website at asminternational.org/foundation. Then click on the link to Materials Camps.
I'm very happy I came here. It's wonderful. I wish more people could have the same opportunity I've had this week.
Well, you meet a lot of new people, and it's people all over the country.
Are you having fun, Melissa?
Yeah.